Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're gonna open the R68 G train and the R179 C train. So let's start off with the G train. Don't tell me they did that again. Okay, good, we're fine. So all I have to do is just crop it this time. I think from up here. I want to save the boxes, so I'm gonna go light. Wait, they have tape on it. I have a charger, so let's open it like this time. I'm gonna put you over here. Okay, so we got it like this. Come on. Alright, right there. I'll use the keys. There we go. Oh, goody. Jesus Christ. Alright, we're just gonna hold this and open it. Oh, there we go. Alright. We got one train open. Let's check it out. Open. Open! There we go. Oh, when it was home. There we go! Wow, fresh and clean. R68 G train. And let's look, oh, wrong side. Looks like a couple! And I have a line. Alright, let's put this apart for now. And then we get an R179 C train, so let's do the same thing. First of all, how was your guys' day today? I should ask that most importantly. It was very good. Oh, good for you guys. That's nice. Alright, let's get this open. Ooh. This is nice. Alright, guys. There you go. Look at that, buddy. We have a freaking couple train. Oh, damn. I had a bus of one of these at one point, but then I don't know where it went. So yeah, we got the G train, the Brooklyn Queens Crosstown, the C 8th Avenue local, and the other from Brooklyn Canarsie. This one's messed up because I already unboxed it. And yeah, so this is it. Have a wonderful day, guys. See? Wow, these are nice. Hello, guys. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.